Hey, welcome to the channel. If you're here, I assume you want to learn about speed ramping, so we're going to jump right into it. You probably saw in my intro I had about 3 or 4 clips there with speed ramping. I'm going to quickly show you how to copy that effect. So first thing you're going to do when you have your clip in your sequence, you're going to expand this so we can see it a little bit. You're going to right click on this FX tab up here, go to time remapping and speed, and then you're going to see this little line right here. You're going to hit P to put your pen tool. You can also come grab it off to the left hand side here, and then you're going to pick your spot to where you want the speed ramping to stop. So if I look at this, I know it's going to shorten the left hand side whatever I do, so I want it to actually be pretty long, the speed ramp. So I'm going to actually put it probably right here. So on the left hand side here, you're going to drag this line up until you get to an acceptable speed. I like to put it at least 400 to 500 depending on how long I want the actual segment to run, and you can see it really shortened down the video. So when I play it back, there we go, look at that. You can also zoom in, so let's zoom in right here. So you can see here the stoppage is actually at a 90-degree angle. If you want to smooth that out, these are actually 2 little tabs. You just pull them away from each other. There we go. So it kind of makes it a little bit smoother. And there we have it. There's a quick tutorial on how to speed ramp. So if you thought this was helpful, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.